every day you must turn on your video or explain in Spanish why you cannot turn it on. Complete your classwork for the day. Participate by speaking in English or Spanish when called upon. If you are absent, it is your responsibility to complete the day's slide on the day you missed. If it is not complete, points will be taken off your classwork grade when you submit it on Friday. Everyone is expected to complete Wellness Wednesday activities on Mrs. McDonald's slides. This also counts towards your classwork grade. Students who have every slide complete for each day and it is accurate can receive full marks or a total of 50 points for the week. If you have any questions, please message me and I will help you.